Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make dairy-free ice cream. I'm using 2 cups almond milk. To that I added 1/4 cup sugar and a peel of 1 orange. Always use organic orange. While the milk is heating, I will dissolve 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 2 tablespoons milk from the 2 cups and make it ready. Now I will take out the orange peel, and once the milk starts to simmer, I will add cornstarch with the milk and cook for about 5 minutes. Now remove it from the heat and we will start tempering an egg. Add the milk to the egg little by little and whisk. You could use a hand whisker, you don't have to use an electrical one, but it's important that you add the milk little by little to the egg and not the other way. Now after this point you can add the rest of the milk all at once and whisk. And also I will use a little bit orange flavor. Now back to the stove, cook for about 5 minutes on medium high. Now transfer everything into an ice cream machine. This is the first time I'm using this machine and I don't recommend it. It's very slow and has a loud sound, but it works. Finally, garnish with some nuts, and if you have chocolate sauce, it will look even better. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It tastes amazing. And thank you for watching.